Hello, today we'll be playing with race cars.
Race cars!
Baby, sit over here.
Okay, back.
It's not supposed to be. Okay. I'm the main person here, okay? Okay. Okay. Start. Let's start. Okay. Let's play with some race cars. Do we have this car?
Okay, have this.
Wow, these cars are so cool, Daniel.
This car's really fast.
Wow.
Cars text. Race car.
So much
Race
fun, Daniel.
car.
The race cars are so much fun. Vroom, vroom.
I bet you like it, race car.
Yeah, I love race cars. Let's go in here. Boop. There's only one more day till my birthday. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. It's actually one more day till my birthday. Tomorrow. Tomorrow's my birthday. I just found some wheels and I'm doing this now. And